Yo. We are back at it again. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I got another, a different type of video, you know what I'm saying? We had a Haitian chick, we got American chicks, we had a Jamaican chick, the one who pepper sprayed that cop. Now we got, I think she's a Latin chick, I don't know what she is. We're gonna figure out what the hell she is. You know what I'm saying? But whatever she is, she's the Bonquisha version of whatever the hell she is. Yo, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, Logic on Steroids. Support the channel that provided this video. I will show that later on in the video. But if y'all want to watch this video here without my commentary, hit this tab right here on the top right. Bam! Right here. And then check the hell up and stop complaining. Let's get into the video.
Are you ready?
I'm not drunk.
Yes, you are.
Damn.
Hey, you get behind that wheel, I'm gonna charge you with DUI. Understood?
Well, I will park the
car. No, you're not driving that car. You're not driving that car.
Well, you're right here in Uber.
No, you're not driving that car. Call someone to come pick up the car, or Uber it out. But you cannot drive this car. Understood?
You will not be a ride.
Huh? No, I can't offer you a ride. I'm working the detail here. So, and in the situation that's going on here,
I'm a pet. So you're calling me a fucking pedophile because there's a fucking 17-year-old kid
that you hit with your chest.
What?
I did not hit him
Yes,
with
you
my
did.
chest.
Hey, lower your voice, and we're gonna step over here.
I was nowhere near him.
No, hey, I saw the video, ma'am.
What did I tell? Show me what I did.
You hit him. He's here. You're here.
No.
You walk up. You go like this, hit him, and then walk away.
I
No.
did that.
Okay. Hey, this is up for discussion. If you want to argue with them something about a refund over there,
It's not about the refund.
all right. You hit the kid
My thing is, how is she not in handcuffs right now?
I did
with your
not.
chest. So that's battery. If your boyfriend's a cop or whatever,
He
you
is.
know what battery is.
I do.
So that's battery. It's unwanted
Oh, that's why she's not in handcuffs right now, because her boyfriend's a cop, I guess.
touch to somebody else who didn't want it. He did not want that touch. You touched him. He went and complained to the staff. All they want to do was get you out of there, and then they didn't even want you trespass. They just wanted you to get out of there, and then you can come back
I've
another
been
day.
here since 2017.
Okay, but that's what happened. So
So
listen,
now you're not going to let me go home.
you can't drive this car.
This is my car, though.
You are intoxicated.
I own this car.
Yes, but you're intoxicated.
But it's mine.
So if you
If you're on the plane and you're intoxicated, you think he should let you fly the plane? You
have
genius.
somebody else
Why
gonna pick
don't
up the
you
car.
just turn a blind eye
No.
and let me go?
No, I got.
And they don't want to get on them. Well, they think that them being stopped from driving while intoxicated is more to do with the law. Like, yo, you can go to jail for that. Nah, they're protecting you for your safety and others. You might get killed, or you might run somebody over. That's what they're trying to stop from happening.
Like, your boyfriend.
And he lets me get away with murder.
Yeah, I'm not going to. I don't care.
He does.
I don't care.
I gotta go.
You're not driving that car.
Wow, she just snitched on her boyfriend. Oh, yo.
That car, ma'am.
I'm getting my shit.
Okay.
Can I get my shit?
Prototype. Hey.
You don't
hey,
run me.
Hey.
You don't run me.
If you try getting in that car and driving, I'm gonna take you to jail for
I'm
DUI.
getting my shit.
Yeah,
I'm
3-0.
Uber.
Yep, that's your best bet.
Then I'll leave my shit right here.
All right, and I will tow
Unless
it.
you want to.
I will tow it.
So you're gonna tow my shit?
Get somebody to drive
I
it.
just got kicked out of
Hey,
here for no
lower your
reason.
voice.
You're gonna
Lower
give
your
me
voice.
shit.
Lower your voice. I'm not screaming at you. I'm not.
You're being a
Hey.
cocksucker.
Okay.
You're being a fucking cocksucker.
Cocksucker. Turncoat motherfucker. He's fucking dead.
Grab your stuff and then grab.
I'm trying to figure out what language she speaks, like originally, because I hear an accent, but I'm not sure if it's Russian, Spanish. What y'all hear?
Uber, because if you
Right in the comments.
turn this car on,
So
and
you're
get behind
gonna
the
tow
wheel,
my car for being parked illegally right here?
Get someone to come pick it up.
I don't have anybody. He's working.
Hey.
Oh, she sounds like she got a Boston accent.
He's on duty right now.
What's his name? Because
Joseph.
I'll happily call him over.
Joseph Chiappa.
Okay.
Call him up.
I will. Give me a second. Grab your stuff and sit over there in the corner.
Tell him to come get my fucking car.
Get your stuff and go sit over there in the corner.
You don't tell me what to do.
I will
You don't
take you to
get
jail.
to tell me what
I
to
can take you to
do.
jail. I can take you to jail, that's for sure. You want to go to jail for DUI?
I'm not
Girl, stop.
in my car.
That's what I'm saying.
The
So
car
grab
is
your
not.
stuff
The
and-
car
and
is
be on your
not
way.
on.
Grab your stuff.
So you
go sit over there.
cannot. You cannot
Hey.
legally give me a DUI.
I mean, I can tow the car though right now because it's in property park.
Then tow my car. It'd be cheaper than a DUI.
She keeps getting in his face. You know what I'm saying? As if he's gonna just be more lenient with her because her chest is sticking out.
Okay. Don't get behind the wheel. Do you want to grab your stuff or no? you want to grab
my
this?
keys, and I am not behind the wheel, so therefore it is not a DUI. That is one of the things when you date a cop,
go sit
you
over there.
realize it.
Okay.
She did it again.
So, tow my car, couple $100 tonight.
Okay.
Good to go.
Yeah.
Tow my shit.
Okay.
Blow me, you sucker.
No, thank you.
Blow me.
Nobody wants to do that. Go stand on the curb.
No.
Yeah.
No.
All
Tow my car.
All right.
And if they damage it,
Florida State Statute 316.072. If you stay on the roadway after I've given you lawful order to get off the road, you haven't taken a job for that. So your best bet is to go over there on the curb and wait for someone.
They're intelligent.
Okay.
So apparently,
Is that someone coming and picking up the car?
this asshole,
Okay.
this sucker, who claims to be a police officer, was a serve and protect, is
She keeps coming to his face while he's backing up.
going
Is that boyfriend?
going to tow my car. The same f***ing fat that was in the movie.
Let me get you in front of a cop theater for one.
Welcome to my life. He's gonna tow my car, and I'm gonna Uber back to my house because he's being a f***ing asshole. Apparently, he has no f***ing respect for f***ing law, or maybe he's just arrogant.
Oh, okay. You got your ID on you, ma'am?
Nope,
I need your ID.
I don't have it.
If you fail to provide me your ID, you're finna to identify yourself as a law enforcement
You
officer.
read me the law.
Yep.
So guess what? I'm gonna call 911 on you
Okay.
and get you for
Hey.
sexual harassment.
She just told a cop she's gonna call 911 on him and get him for sexual harassment, which he didn't even do that. You're lying to a cop about putting him away for a lie.
I got a camera right here. Hey, you're not
New
free to
level
go.
shit.
You're not free to go. You're not
Get
free to
away
go.
from me.
You need to identify yourself
Get
because
away
of this
from me.
traffic infraction.
Get away.
She is the Boquisha version of whatever the hell she
From me.
is.
Nope, you're not free
Get
to go.
away from
Go
me.
right there.
Get away from me.
Nope, I need you to identify yourself, ma'am, because if not, you're gonna go to jail
You
for.
can believe this? I come to the movie theater and I'm getting f***ing harassed.
Okay. I need your ID, ma'am. I need
I don't
your
have
ID. Your
one.
name. You don't have an ID? All right. What's your name?
Just tow my f***ing car and let me go. You f***ing piece of shit thinks he's f***ing Johnny Law. He ain't shit.
Okay. Hey, I need you to identify yourself, ma'am.
This is my car.
Okay.
Run my tag.
Okay.
Get my name.
I need you to
In
identify
his face again.
yourself. You need to be carrying.
I don't need to do shit for you because you're not being respectful
You're
right
legally
now.
detained.
You're not being respectful right
Says the one
now.
who's screaming.
You're not being respectful.
Have I raised my
I
voice
am
at all
not
to you?
my car. You said you were towing my car.
Yes, and this is a
I
traffic
told
infraction.
you.
Since you
I
were the one who left
told
it here,
you.
you're the one getting the ticket.
And I told you to tow my car.
Yeah, and
I will Uber
need
the home.
Yeah, and I need your ID.
For what?
Now, how many times she asked the cop to tow her car?
To identify you. Because
Okay.
you're the one who
My
committed,
tag.
you're the one who committed the traffic infraction. Are you
We're
refusing
going
to
to
identify?
the f***ing movie theater? Are you f***ing serious?
Hey, are you refusing to identify yourself to the law enforcement officer?
What I'm refusing to do.
Hey, this only thing. You're making this a lot harder than it has to be.
No, you're being an asshole.
Okay.
What's the problem here?
You're getting cited for traffic
Because I
infraction.
stopped
For
here.
traffic infraction.
Because I stopped here.
Yes.
And I thought that
Don't touch
you
me.
were going
Hey,
to
don't
be
touch
someone
me.
that was going
Step
to
back.
help me, and you're not. You're a piece of shit.
Let's put up the crazy clock.
Just like every other cop, like the Daytona cop that got shot in his f***ing head.
Okay. Hey, last
Just
time
like
I'm gonna
every
tell
other
you.
cop.
Do you want to? Are you gonna give me your
Go.
ID to identify yourself?
Go.
Okay.
Take my car.
Not a good idea to be mentioning stuff
Are
like
you
that.
ready?
No,
Hey,
no,
hey.
no, don't touch me.
On your back.
What the f*** are you doing? Your job is done. Your f***ing
Put
career
your
is
hands in
over.
back.
Let me tell you something.
Stop
You are
resisting.
not.
I'm not.
Going through
You
that.
have no
Hands behind your back.
reason to f***ing detain me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get away from me!
Look at her. With her bitch ass.
Face down, butt up. That's the way we like this.
Oh my god.
All right. Sit up.
I hate your f***ing guts.
Okay.
Thanks to whoever was recorded on their cell phone.
Okay.
You know what? Maybe that poor cop that got shot in the face should have been you. You sucker. You just broke $300 glasses.
Let's see, which card will she play next? The competition seems quite rough here at the casino, hey Matt?
Oh, well, it seems like she's going to play the racist card.
The racist card. Is that what she's going for? Give her a moment.
You f***ing Puerto Rican.
And yes, she's all in with the racist card played.
Good luck to the female contestant playing with top competitors.
You are not worth a shit.
Oh, she's a racist. Oh, you seen that? She kicked the cop.
You want to put your hands on me?
No.
You want to put your hands on me?
Kick me too.
You want to put your hands on me? Go ahead. Put your motherfucking hands on me again. I'll show you Boston style, you motherfucker. Speaking of style.
Knew it. She's from Boston. This is Boston right here, I guess.
Hey, look at that shit. Fucking abuse. Abuse. You're a liar.
Look at that. Look at that.
Does he need us to call backup? Like,
The f off me. Get off
That's a good Samaritan recorded on camera. That's what's up, her phone.
me. Get off me.
Calling the suspect a liar because she's trying to lie and say that the officer is sexually harassing her, whatever the hell it
You
is.
broke it, didn't you? You broke your hand, didn't
It
you?
just came off.
Get off me.
Alright, stand up. Alright. Come on. You walking over there?
No, you just dropped my shit all over
grab
the
that.
fuck. Get the f off
Alright, come
me.
on.
They're gonna steal my shit. Are you serious right now?
Yep.
You're really gonna do this over a fucking movie ticket?
No, that's not why they all
Didn't you want to get arrested earlier? You had your hands behind your back.
this happened.
They're gonna steal my shit.
We're not gonna steal anything.
They're fucking niggas. Of course they are.
Sit in the car.
I'm a fucking racist.
You heard that? The effing ends. Wow. She just said she's a racist.
Sit in the car.
Back it up a little bit.
Sit in the car.
I'm a fucking racist.
In the car.
See that?
Hey guys, you guys were watching the whole thing, right?
oh yeah. I got.
Do you guys mind doing this quick segment for me? Just basically saying what
I
you
do
guys
not
saw.
mind at all. That girl was crazy. I got half of it on video. If you need it.
Yep. I'll get that in a second. Thank you.
Shout out to them.
Do you need the ambulance to
Thank
come
you,
check you
y'all.
out for your shoulder and
Yeah,
face?
I fucking do.
Okay. Nope.
You
You're staying inside the car.
piece of shit.
You're staying inside the car. Put your feet inside the car.
She's inebriated.
You little Sarge.
How's it going?
Good on yourself.
All right, what we got?
She got kicked out of there for hitting a minor with her tits.
My mistake.
No. She like
Bumped the minor.
it was a full like, and then she's like, what? She's like, why is he complaining? So we just kicked her off because of that. She was already intoxicated. Comes over here.
I'm listening to that.
She brought her car there. She was already intoxicated from inside. So I'm like, hey,
pull her out. Let's pull her out.
Damn. She done broke the damn car.
Let's just leave it like that.
starts causing a scene over there. I'm like, hey, get someone to come pick up your car and be on your way. You're not okay to drive.
That's not it.
Those people behind were recording this voice.
Hang on, sit in the car, okay? You don't have to get out. Just
He's an asshole.
all right,
He's an asshole.
I understand.
He smashed my face on the pavement.
All right, so what happened?
Yeah, that was funny.
I'm fucking 130 pounds. Like,
Sit down.
I'm sitting.
Girl, stop lying. You look like you about like 170.
He's abusive.
Trying to get her away. She's still screaming, making a scene.
Give up my story.
Trying to get her ID, asking for ID and everything. Doesn't want to identify herself. Keeps saying fuck you, fuck you. So when I try to take her into custody, she starts pulling away from me, put her arms behind her. She
Freaking face
gets in
planted.
her
I mean,
car.
look at my face.
And then gets put on the floor, continues resisting, hitting, we're trying to kick and all that, kicks me in the groin, and then continues acting like this bitter the whole time. They have video and they're willing to do a statement too of the way she was acting before this. My axon fell off halfway through, but
She wouldn't move. Is that why we're taking her?
No.
well, I was doing it for refusing to identify herself, so I could give her the citation for the car.
Okay. All right.
And then
Have a seat, please. Okay, I'm going to talk to you here in a second, okay? I'm the supervisor.
He's not nice. He hurt me.
talk to you in a
He
second,
hurt me. He hurt me.
And the victim award goes to
She's dragging me.
All right. Just relax.
Look at my face. Look at the side of my face. It was unnecessary.
Thank God for body cameras. This is why they have body cameras, y'all. For stuff like this. Y'all think that they have body cameras to protect just one side? It's to protect both sides. Our sides and their sides. Especially their side.
Unnecessary. My shoulders. Look at my shoulder.
Ma'am?
Look at my shoulder.
Did you show me your identification yet?
Look at my shoulder from him.
Before that, did you show me your ID?
I did because it was they removed me from him. It wasn't even because I was drunk. They said that
You just said it.
I made a gesture.
Hey, did you watch her pull up here? Did you see her pull up there?
Yeah.
So, under the influence, she drove the car.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't gonna let her drive.
All right, here's what's gonna happen.
Look at what he did to me.
We're gonna take pictures of it, okay? And we're gonna get you checked out. But you're gonna be going to jail tonight, okay?
For what?
All right.
For what?
Well, for DUI.
No.
Resisting arrest.
No.
And if you keep kicking the car and break it, you're charged with that.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, ma'am.
You're supposed to serve and protect me. He just roughed me up.
That happens when you resist arrest.
No, I was not under arrest when he did that. You're a piece of shit, you f***ing Mexican.
Sit down, ma'am. Stop.
Yeah, shit.
The racist.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a racist.
And then you kicked him. So
yeah, we know that.
Because he f***ing look what he did to my shoulder.
But ma'am, had you not been driving drunk,
I wasn't driving. I was parked.
Identify yourself.
I was parked.
Well, you pulled up there and he watched you.
No, he did not. He was not in his car.
Get low, guys. So who's the one who's got the best
And I'm sure she probably shoved that little kid because of his race or something.
video?
I'm the only one who took a video,
You
so
took
I
video?
got it.
Perfect.
You want me to send it to you?
Yes, I'll send you a link to send that to me. Your name there, date of birth, today's date, and basically what you saw, the whole interaction, how she was acting and stuff.
Okay.
And then once I get your phone number, I'll send you a link to where you can upload the video. Can I just see it real quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, look what he did to me.
I understand.
That's just gonna, tell you what, I will take it all the way. It'll be his badge.
Please have a
That's her tactic, to put her chest in people's face so they got some kind of leeway on her.
It'll be his badge. You
your
don't
ass
put your
down.
hands on a woman like this.
Ma'am, please have a seat.
No.
It was like halfway through when I started recording, but you're welcome to watch it.
Seat,
Look
please.
at my face.
Can you have a seat, please?
So how did both sides of my face get scraped?
Can you have a seat, please?
Is that what you're f***ing officer? You're a bunch of useless.
You can go straight to field sobriety.
Huh?
You can go straight to field sobriety on her.
Okay.
She's gonna refuse everything. She hates you.
Yeah.
So she's gonna catch the DUI charge. You saw her drive, right?
Yeah. Nerdy. I saw her pull up and I was like, is that her? I was like, please don't let that be her.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
I still got the hours. Nothing on it. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Have a good night.
Oh!
Oh, your shoulder got a little scrape.
It did get a little straight. It got f***ed up. Like Jesus.
How much have you had to drink?
Just 3 drinks. Piece of shit.
Hey, don't try to kick anybody.
I hate you all. I hope you all get shot in the face.
Hey, Summer, man.
You Mexican f***.
Stop it.
Not resisting.
Do you want to perform field sobriety exercises? And if you don't, do you want to give a breath test?
I'm going to jail either way. I don't want to do any of it.
Okay, so that's a no for both.
Thank you, ma'am. And
Oh my God, really let her out? You're screaming.
raise your right hand. Do you swear to affirm everything you said in the statement is true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Do you understand the line under the official?
She got a slew of charges. Driving while drunk, battery on the officer, agbat. She got what else she got? God damn it. I don't lost focus.
Please record as a arrestable offense.
Yes.
I just something I have to read. Sign right there and then today's date, please. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a good day.
This suspect was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, driving under the influence, disorderly intoxication, resisting without violence, and leaving a vehicle unattended with keys in the ignition. She pled no contest to all charges except leaving a vehicle unattended, as that charge was dismissed. She was sentenced to 3 years of probation and ordered to pay the court $770.
I don't know, man. Some people should just stay away from alcohol, man. If you cannot handle drinking simple alcohol, you know what I'm saying? Wine cooler, wine. If you act a total fuck, do not drink it. Stay away from it. Start drinking juice, get a Capri Sun, drink some milk. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Well, subscribe to Logic on Steroids. We got more videos coming to y'all, you know what I'm saying? And after you do that, check out the people who provided this video. They have more videos up there too in their channel. All right. Thanks for supporting us. We out.